This 2020 Venture RV Sonic SN210VTB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Venture RV is 24 feet 10 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 4, water heater, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, skylight, external shower, LP detector, Slideout, air conditioning, TV antenna, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Venture RV Sonic SN210VTB is 4,170 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.